Hello friends, what's up? It's Diana here, and this is my second time filming this because the first time I was completely out of focus, so hopefully I'm in focus now because I can't film this again. Today I'm back with a huge Black Friday haul. I'm super excited because I picked up so many cute things, and I brought along my favorite mug so that I'm nice and refreshed for you guys today. So hopefully I can get through this. First store is Brandy Melville, and I only ended up getting one thing from here, but I'm so excited because the first time I bought this, I showed it to you guys in another haul and I wore it a ton, and it's just this basic white t-shirt. If you guys are on the hunt for the perfect white t-shirt, definitely check out Brandy Melville. Softest material you'll ever encounter, super comfortable, and I wear this all the time. I should have gotten myself a third pair now that I think about it, but second store I'm going to be talking to you guys about is Urban Outfitters. You guys should definitely check them out because they had a 30% off their entire sales section and 40% off if you signed up for their Urbanon application thing. So it's just basically their store on an app. First thing I got is this beanie, and you guys know me, I am absolutely obsessed with hats. I wear them all the time, but surprisingly I didn't have a beanie, and I need to keep my head warm in the winter, so definitely had to pick this one up. This one's super soft. Next thing from Urban Outfitters, I'm again really excited for. It's just this really gorgeous pumpkin colored cape. I think this was actually the last one in the store, and this one was originally I think $50, but with the 40% off it came out to $30. So I thought that was a pretty great deal for this jacket. I love the fit. It has this little armhole seams here on the sides you can stick your arms out into, and if you wanted to you could layer it with maybe like a turtleneck like the one I'm wearing right now, or even like a really cute sweater underneath. It has these loops that you can kind of just hook onto the buttons on the side. It's double-breasted, super nice. I've been looking for a cape for so long and I just never found one that was one, affordable, and two, just a great color overall, wasn't too flashy. And I also really like the fact that it's like got this ribbed collar. It gives it sort of like a bomber jacket vibe almost. Last thing from Urban Outfitters is something that I picked up a few weeks ago, so I didn't necessarily get it in the Black Friday sale, but I'm so excited to show this to you guys, and I believe this was in my last two lookbook videos, and they're just these Chelsea chunky boots, and I'm obsessed with these, you guys. They're super comfortable. In fact, I think they're the most comfortable pair of shoes that I have in my closet right now. I love that they have this heel but this platform at the same time, so you get that lifting height effect, but at the same time you're not killing your feet because of the platform in the front. And they're just a really great sturdy shoe. I've been wearing them non-stop every day. They look super cute with like sheer tights underneath, or even with black skinnies and a big oversized sweater. Speaking of shoes, I got this pair from the store called Cole Haan, and I've been looking for the perfect pair of Oxfords for so long because I actually had a pair from Steve Madden. I passed by the store, saw a really cute pair of men's Oxfords, and thought to myself, man, I wish they had some like female version of those shoes because my feet are kind of really small. So we went inside and we saw that there was a women's section in the back, and I like jetted toward the back and found these, and I'm so excited that I found these. They're super cute. They have this really beautiful leather detailing embossed all around the shoe, and they're super comfortable. And if you guys want to pick this up, you should definitely check out the store right away because they actually had their Black Friday sale previous to the Black Friday itself. So I think they had like a 30% off sale starting like a week before. So I've saved my biggest part and my favorite part of this haul for last, and that is Free People. And right now they're having a 25% off their sales section and 50% off select full price items. So you guys can find a whole bunch of shoes, dresses, anything really that's like their statement pieces and their favorites for 50% off. So you guys should definitely go check out their website and in the store. So first thing that I found was this Fair Isle sweater, and it's so nice. I actually saw this a few weeks back and I knew I wanted to get it, but I think originally it was like $120, something like that. I think this came out to like about $40. So anyway, what I really love about this sweater is the Fair Isle stitching. It's absolutely beautiful, great color combination, and if you look closely on the white part of the yarn, it has this really beautiful strands just kind of fluttering about. It's so pretty, super whimsical. Another favorite part of mine from the sweater is the fact that it has these sort of poofy bell sleeves that get cinched into this really tight fitting rib, and you could easily wear this just like on on your shoulders, but if you're like me and like wearing things off the shoulders, it also looks really cute like that too. Next thing that I got from Free People is this pinstriped button-down shirt. Actually, it only has a button down toward like the center of the torso. I love the fabric. It's just one of those things that I probably wear on a day going to school, or I just want to be lounging around and I want to feel comfortable. Another thing that I really like about it is the fact that it has some slits at the side seams and this really nice keyhole in the back. And I could see myself wearing this even in the summertime, but for now I would probably wear this with maybe a turtleneck underneath if I want to add extra warmth, or just with some black skinnies or leggings. Next is something that I'm completely obsessed with. I found this really beautiful shawl kimono type thing. It's got this burnout velvet, so where all the flowers are, it's basically chiffon, and it goes all the way down to the very hem, and then at the very bottom it has this really gorgeous fringe that kind of swooshes when you walk around, and this piece just drapes so beautifully on the body. Absolutely stunning piece that I feel like would be gorgeous to wear on a holiday party. Cannot wait to wear this with maybe a black slip underneath, or even with like some black jeans and a crop top or something super cute. Next piece that I found is super throwback, think 90s schoolgirl type vibe, and it's just this really cool skirt, easy to walk around in. You're not going to be showing too much, if you know what I mean. I'd probably wear maybe a turtleneck or a cool band t-shirt to give it a little bit more of a rock and roll vibe. Speaking of skirts, I got this skirt, and this is another classic piece I feel like every fashion lover should definitely have in their closet, and it's just this faux leather skirt. Again, high-waisted, bodycon fit, and it's super comfortable, super soft. It's buttery soft on the outside too, which kind of gives me the feeling of real leather, and I absolutely love the quality of this. Again, I would probably just wear this with some sheer tights, maybe even a sweater on top to give it a different feel to it. Last clothing bit from Free People are just these basic blue skinny jeans, and I already have their black skinny jeans with slits at the knees. Those are super comfortable, have such a great fit. I feel like no other jean fits me the way those do, so I definitely had to go back and check in with Free People to find myself the blue skinny, because I actually lacked a pair of these in my closet. So the last two pieces I have from Free People are accessories, and the first one that I have here is this really pretty layered necklace. You guys know me, I love layered necklaces, so I'm constantly looking back at their necklace section, and when I saw this, I knew I had to pick it up. It's got this really cool collar detail here, which would be really nice underneath a crisp white button down, and then it also has this extended sort of bolo tie. Last piece that I have from Free People is this stunning embellished party purse. It has all this beautiful beading that's embellished onto this velvet fabric, and my favorite part, of course, is the little fringy detail that it has along the edge of the bottom. Kind of reminds me of one of those like coin purses that they had back then in vintage shops. I constantly see these all the time, but every time I find them, they're a little bit battered up and have like beads missing from them, so I definitely think this is a great find, and I didn't already have something like this in my closet to wear to a party, so when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. So loves, that is it for my huge Black Friday haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to whisk through it as fast as I could because I had so many things to show you guys. Quick announcement, I'm going to be going on my winter break in about 20 days, which is kind of scary because I have so many projects to wrap up on. But anyway, I'm thinking of posting videos twice a week, so let me know if you have any video requests down below. I'm definitely going to be doing a winter lookbook and maybe even an outerwear lookbook because I love those types of videos. Just let me know what you guys want to watch because I will definitely be making an extra effort to putting more videos out there for you guys. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a little comment down below letting me know how your Thanksgiving went because I would love to know. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. You can subscribe for more style inspiration videos. I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your holidays, and I will see you all next week. Bye!